Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Alex and Daisy English. Do you want to sound more natural in English?
Oh, this is my favorite topic.
Mine too. So let me start with a story. Last week, I went to a coffee shop. The man behind the counter smiled at me. He asked, "Hi, how are you today?" And I said, "I am very well, thank you."
That's so polite, Daisy.
I know. He just looked at me, like I was reading from a book.
Well, your English was correct.
Correct, yes, but not natural.
That's a fair point.
Textbook English is clean and safe. But real people don't talk like that.
Okay, so what should we say instead?
Let's go through 10 easy phrases. Small changes, big difference.
But wait, before we start, is formal English always wrong?
Good question. No, it's not. In a job interview, formal is great. In an email to your boss, also great.
So when do we relax it?
With friends, with family, in daily life.
Got it. So it's about the moment.
Exactly. The right words for the right place. And here's the thing many learners feel. They feel scared to sound wrong. So they hold on to the safe, formal words.
Oh, I did that for years. I thought formal meant good English.
It's a normal feeling, but here's the truth. Natural English is not lazy English.
Say that again, that's important.
Natural English is not lazy English.
People remember a warm voice, not big words.
Beautiful. Okay, phrase 1. Let's start with hello.
Wait, what's wrong with hello?
Nothing, it's fine, just a bit stiff. With friends, try hey or hi there.
Oh, hey feels warmer.
Exactly. Hello can sound like an interview.
True. Hello, I am here for the meeting.
Stop, that's too real. Number 2 is how are you? It's good, but a little formal.
So what do native speakers say?
They say, how's it going? Or what's up with close friends.
I use how's it going all the time.
See, you already sound natural.
Funny story, at my first job, I said, good morning to you every day. Very formal, like a king's servant.
Oh no, every single day?
Every day. My boss finally said, just say hi.
That's a kind boss.
Now I say morning and smile.
Perfect. One word, so much warmer. And these work in text messages too.
Oh, like when I write to friends?
Yes, hey, what's up? Not dear friend.
Dear friend, that's so formal.
Right? Save dear for emails.
But here's my problem. When someone says, what's up, I freeze. I never know how to answer.
Oh, that's so common. Don't worry. Just say, not much, you?
Not much. You? That's easy.
Right, you don't need a long answer.
Good. My brain feels calmer now.
Number 3 is how you answer back. Stop saying, I am very well, thank you.
Like your sad coffee shop moment.
Yes, my sad little coffee moment. Just say, I'm good, thanks. Or, pretty good, you?
Short and friendly. I like that.
And it sounds real, not like a robot.
But wait, I have another question. Isn't formal English more polite?
Not always. That's the big secret. Polite is about your tone, not big words.
So I can be casual and kind.
Yes, a warm thanks beats a cold thank you.
That's a nice way to think about it.
Number 4 is tiny but powerful. Stop always saying yes.
What? I can't say yes now?
You can, it's just very neutral. With friends, yeah sounds softer, or yep when you're happy and quick.
I used to say, yes, certainly, at work. My coworkers thought I was a butler.
A butler, that's too funny.
I switched to yeah, sure, and felt human again.
See? Same meaning, warmer feeling. Number 5 is saying thank you. Thank you very much is fine, but thanks a lot feels lighter. Or just thanks with a smile.
I say thanks so much a lot.
Perfect. That's warm and natural. My grandma always said, "Thank you kindly." Oh, that's sweet, but very old-fashioned.
I know, people look at me funny.
Save that one for grandma.
Deal. Okay, give me number 6.
When someone thanks you, don't be stiff. Instead of "you are welcome," try "no worries."
Oh, no worries. That's a great phrase. It means, it's fine, don't stress about it.
Right, it's relaxed and kind at the same time. People in Australia say it all day long.
No worries, mate.
Now you're getting it. So that's 6 phrases for you already.
And we changed 0 grammar.
Same sentences, just friendlier words.
I can already feel the difference. Okay, what's number 7?
Ordering food or drinks. Most people learn "I would like a coffee."
That's exactly what my textbook taught me.
It's correct, but it sounds a bit formal. Try "Can I get a coffee?" or "Could I have a coffee, please?"
Oh, I have a story about this one. Last year, I was in London. I went into a small, busy cafe. I said, "I would like 1 tea, please." Very slow, very serious. The man smiled and said, "1 tea, coming up."
He was so casual.
Yes, and suddenly I felt too formal, like I was acting in an old movie. My voice was so slow and stiff. The poor man just wanted to make tea.
That's the exact feeling we want to fix. You weren't wrong, you were just stiff.
Now I just say, "Can I get a tea?"
Perfect. Quick, clear, and friendly. Number 8, asking people to wait. Don't say, "Please wait a moment."
Why not? It sounds polite to me.
It's fine on the phone at work, but with friends, it sounds cold. Just say, "Hang on," or "Hold on."
Hang on. Wait, let me catch that one. It means wait a short time, right?
Exactly. "Hang on, I'm coming." Or "Hold on a sec."
And sec means second?
Yes, short for second. Very common.
I love these tiny, friendly words.
One more wait word for you. You can also say, "Give me a sec."
Oh, I hear that a lot.
Yep, all 3 work the same way.
Hang on, hold on, give me a sec.
You've got it. Pick your favorite. Last week, my sister called me. I was cooking, so I said, "Hang on." It felt natural, not cold at all.
See? That's the magic.
Number 9 is my favorite one. When you make a small mistake, don't say, "I am terribly sorry."
Terribly sorry? That sounds so dramatic.
I know. Just say, "My bad."
My bad? That's so short.
It means, "Oops, that was my mistake." You bump someone? "Oh, my bad."
That feels so light and friendly.
Right. Sorry doesn't need to be heavy.
Be careful though, read the room.
True. My bad is for small things. For big mistakes, a real sorry is better.
Good point. Don't say my bad at a funeral.
No, please don't.
Hey, quick break, everyone. If this is helping you sound natural, drop a like for us. And follow Alex and Daisy English for more.
We read every comment, by the way. Tell us your favorite phrase today.
Yes, we really do read them.
Okay, last one, number 10. How you say goodbye. Goodbye is fine, but a bit final. It sounds like you're leaving forever.
Goodbye forever.
Exactly. Try "see you," or "see you later," or "take care."
Take care feels warm.
It does. It shows that you care. At work, you can say, "See you Monday."
Oh, nice, with the day added.
Exactly. "See you tomorrow," "see you soon."
So many friendly ways to leave.
Oh, one bonus tip before we finish.
Bonus tip, I love bonus tips.
Instead of "I do not understand," say, "Wait, what?" or "I'm not following."
I'm not following. That sounds smooth.
Right, it's gentle and very common.
11 phrases now. We gave you extra.
Shh, that's our little secret.
Okay, so let me try them now.
Yes, show me, from the top.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good, you.
Yeah, not bad. Thanks a lot for waiting.
No worries. Hang on, my phone is ringing.
My bad, I'll wait.
See you later.
That felt so natural.
See, you didn't change your grammar, you just changed a few small words.
Here's something I want everyone to remember.
Go on, I'm listening.
Formal English is not wrong, it's just like wearing a tie to the beach.
Oh, that's a good one. A tie to the beach. I love that. So relax your English a little. You don't need perfect words. You need real ones.
And real English feels good to speak.
It does. You sound like yourself.
Last week I tried no worries at work. My coworker smiled. It felt easy.
See, one phrase can change a moment.
That's why these small phrases matter. Try one new phrase today. Just one. Maybe no worries.
Or, my bad, when you slip up.
Small change, big difference.
That's all for today, everyone. Pick one phrase and use it tomorrow.
See you next time. Take care.
Bye for now.